What's up guys, welcome back to another video, bringing you another car meet today, and we're gonna go check it out. I've never been to this one before in this area, but let's just go see who's all here for this one. Hopefully it's a good turnout, we get some good cars there, and stay tuned guys, let's go check it out right now. I like this wrapped one. What y'all think about this Mustang here? I like all the decals on it. Ford Performance, got all the sponsors. Oh, he's got a carbon fiber see-through roof. It's got a blower on it. That's sick. Oh, puppies. And of course your boy had to get a shot of his, just because that's how we roll. That's pretty sick. You got a nice 05 to 09 Shelby GT500 over here. I'll get a shot of that. There's a couple more Corvettes coming in. C5, another C5, another C5, or C5, C6s, guys. I don't know what I'm talking about. The first one was C5, but the others are C6. Got a pretty clean 370Z. Looks like it has lots of carbon fiber on it, including the roof and the hood. Alright guys, I'm digging the wrap on this BMW. Looks pretty clean there. And the other boys with him too. I had to get this one that's on the trailer. It's pretty cool. I like the color. Alright guys, I really like the color on this one here. It's pretty interesting. White. Got a nice Whipple supercharged Mustang here. And then a really nice red C4. Should have parked by me. He's got even red seats too. Pretty clean. It's so much smaller compared to mine. Tons of trucks here, guys. Tons of them. Another puppy over there. And you got a couple Camaros, Catfish. Then there's a row of Cadillac CTS-Vs. So if y'all like CTS-Vs, here's a ton of them. A couple more interesting little wrapped cars. And just rows of jacked up trucks.